Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am playing around with that Mcgrath palette once again. It's the Mothership Celestial Odyssey palette and it's so beautiful. I can make a million looks with it, and this is what I came up with today. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love to have you. I do all kinds of content for fair olive skin. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna go straight in with this Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. And this is the color ST3 Balos, I think is how it says. I love these serum type of products. They're really just nourishing the face, and it helps the face be less drying. So I really enjoy using things like that. I'm going to use this Nars eye brightener in the color Night Swan. And I think I might do a little bit of contouring with this Makeup by Mario stick before I do my powder. This is in the color Light. I think he has an even lighter shade, which does look a lot better. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario double-ended brush in the color T4. It says it's a contour, but honestly it looks definitely more of like a bronzer shade on me. Now I'll go in with this Mercier face powder. It's just the translucent shade. I will do my eyebrows next with this brow pencil, the Loreal Brow Stylist. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Hourglass bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. It's definitely one of my favorite colors. That's kind of closer to the color right there. When it gets that direct light, it doesn't quite look right. So I'm just gonna do the edges. I will do my lips next, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Love Trap lip liner. And for the gloss, I'm using one of the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serums in Mauve Glow. This is such a pretty color. I love how absolutely glowy and glossy they are. And for blush, I'm going to use this Dior in Cherry. And I always use a very fluffy brush because it's pretty pigmented. There's just something about a red blush that I feel like it just looks good on everyone. That's one of those statements that maybe can be true, that it looks good on everyone. Just gonna leave it as is, but I'm going to use some highlighter. So this is just the Ilia highlighter. It's never quite glowy enough if it doesn't have like an obvious sheen or glow. And that, yeah, that's really pretty. For eyes, I wanted to use this palette again, but go in with this interesting color right there, which is called Solar Flare. It looks almost like a gold silver. It's really cool. I just, like I've mentioned before, all these colors in this palette are very, very pretty. And they all can work for you if you don't overdo it with the layering and adding too many of the colors. Yeah, that's just a really pretty, almost like a gray, but like a taupey gray. I'll add some on the bottom lash line as well. Yeah, it's just full of sparkles, that one. Definitely looks like a festive type of color. For this look, I think a black eyeliner would really go, liquid liner. So I'm going to do that. This is just the Tarte black liner. And I think just the very last thing is adding some mascara, and I think we've got a look. I'm just using the Give Beauty mascara, Can't Stop Staring. And this is the look that I came up with today. Every time I use this palette, I always come up with fun look. It's so creative. These colors are so fun, and of course I only use one color at a time. I know some people like to use 3 or more, but I think that they are colors that stand alone on their own, and they just speak for themselves, and they're so pretty. You can get like a million different eye looks if you're just using one at a time. And I love the way that this turned out today. It just is so different. I love the grayish tone to that taupey eyeshadow. It just looks so pretty on brown eyes. These type of colors look so pretty. It just makes the brown really pop. And of course I always love a good liquid eyeliner. And this Makeup by Mario color is so, I mean, I don't know if it's underrated, but it's really pretty. Every time I've gone through already 4 other ones, and this is my last one that's still here. And it's the Mauve Glow. And yeah, all these things just really worked well together. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys are doing well. Have a wonderful day. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. Thank you for subscribing so far. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.